Another close call. Welcome to a series called Escape the Law, Busted or Gone, where I'm putting Cape Town stock vehicles against a 2022 Golf R driven by the traffic officials to see if our Cape Town stock vehicles can beat a Golf R 2022 model around the track in hoping of escaping the law. And today we have a car not very well known to South Africans and especially in Cape Town, but in my lifetime I've seen two as imports, also white like this. I've seen two of them within my lifetime. Um, Definitely as an import, and it's the Acura Integra Type R DC2. Car came out with, I think there's different variants of it in terms of where it was sold. I think the North American version had like 145 kilowatt, and the one sold, the JDM spec, had 147 kilowatt. And they came out as a 1.8 um, four-cylinder with VTEC. And I don't think we in South Africa we had a VTEC or a Type R with that's 1.8 in the Civic model. Yeah, but without further ado, guys, I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's see if the Acura Integra Type R DC2 with Cape Town stock, only fitted with an exhaust and an induction set of coilovers, basic coilovers by the way. And let's see if the Cape Town stock Integra Type R can beat the Golf R 2022 model around the track. Let's see if he made it. I think this is going to be another close one as this vehicle's revs extremely high. I think they rev about 8.4 and factory cutoff is 8.5. But I know aftermarket tuning, people are getting nines with this vehicle stock. But without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. If you do like this type of content, please consider subscribing as I'm running the series called Escape the Law, Busted or Gone, hoping to find that one vehicle that is a Cape Town stock um, vehicle to see if we can beat the law. Peace and love. Video up next. Off we go. Going straight into the first corner. Listen to the car reading. Going over the line there. Coming down ice level. This car can wait as it there. Making our way onto Highlands. If you guys wondering, these are just the roads commonly known around Cape Town. It leads you to the N2, which will be the escape route. Onto Jays Careful Drive. Coming strong into the Coke Bend. This car sounds beautiful. If ever, for me personally, this car is way more sexier than the normal Civics we have around here. But the Civics also beautiful. I own one myself, but this vehicle, oh, this is a dream to own. Coming down past JP Smith building, making our way to the Wiggly Bits. Let's see how she holds around the Wiggly Bits. If she should beat the time of the Golf R, I can tell you now the Honda boys are going to be extremely happy. Making our way to the N2. Listen to the waves. And the Acura Type R crosses the line in. Whoa, that's close. 1 minute 59. Remember the time to beat. The time to beat is 1 minute 58. This is the second car that comes extremely close to beating the guy. We had a listen up yesterday in part 5, and I mean, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Comment down below if you do find this entertaining. Comment down below. Let me see what car I can do next to put it up against the series. Escape the Law, Busted or Gone. And hopefully we can see if your car can beat the law to the end too. And hopefully you are gone. So far we haven't matched anyone, but we are getting closer by the day. Like I said, please guys consider subscribing, as it will really help my channel to bring you more of these type of content. Please and love. Thank you.